Hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I know what you're thinking, girl. That orange hair is working for you. I know. Definitely turned into one of my favorites. I love it so much. Anyways, I'm going to show you how I achieved this entire look, top to bottom, including the hair, the makeup, and then I'll show you the outfit kind of on the side. You can see it's yitty yitty. Today I am turning myself into Ice Spice, okay? And this is something I've been wanting to do for months now, but I haven't gotten around to it. But we're gonna do this look, this Ice Spice inspired look. And it's gonna be like a Barbie moment, an Ice Spice Barbie moment. And yeah, let's turn ourselves into Ice Spice, bitches. So the first step to this transformation is gonna be coloring this wig, y'all. And this wig is not by this brand. I just have it in one of their baggies. Now it looks ratchet as hell because I just threw it in the bag after I took it off last. So she already has like a auburny, like ginger-esque color to her. And then she has highlights throughout her. I love this wig so much. But I'm gonna try to lift a little bit on the top so that these aren't like as streaky. And then we're gonna color it all orange. This is a color depositing. This is a color depositing conditioner, so we're not using permanent color or anything wild today. And I've had this for months and I haven't gotten the chance to try it yet. So I'm really excited because I love anything Ex Mondo. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, she's brushed out, and first, is this not the cutest little clip container? I'm using this lightener that I have. I cannot remember the brand. This is the developer that we're gonna use today, little 2020. On our way to seeing how things came out and if I still got it, because I haven't highlighted in like years. Yeah, like at least 2 years I haven't done highlights because I don't do color. But she's gonna process. She's, you know, dark around the whole thing, but I'm not doing all that. Okay, just needed to brighten up the top there a little bit. I do have like 1 or 2 bleed marks, so hopefully they don't like ruin everything. I don't think they will, because we're really just putting like one color over all of this. So, and you might just be asking me, why am I lightening this then if we're putting one color over it all? And that is simply because when it fades, because it's a color conditioner, so it will fade, I kind of want it to have like a highlighted look to it. So I'm thinking that as it fades, the highlights will come out and it'll be really pretty. It already had highlights, but they were really chunky, so I just kind of wanted them to be just a little bit softer up on the top. Ooh, that looks nice. Actually, there's a little bit of warmth right here. Okay, so she is ready. We're going to pull foils and wash her, shampoo her with the one and the only. We are also going to pray to the color gods that this is enough color for this whole wig, because I actually only have 1 tub of this full, but this is like a 28-inch wig. So these are dish gloves because I don't have any color gloves or any other gloves here right now. Now it says to apply to dry hair, but I'm spraying a little bit of water on there. I don't know if you can see the difference between the highlighted pieces and the auburny pieces, but look at how orange she is over there. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Let it process for 20 minutes and then rinse her on out. I give this hair a little trim-a-roni after this as well. ready to rinse. So we're gonna rinse her and then we're going to deep condition her with this mask. Okay. She's looking vibrant. Look at how much brighter those pieces took to the color. This is where I added a whole bunch of highlights so that we can have a really bright effect. And
we do whatever we want, love whatever we want, love whatever we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love.
now we're gonna blow dry her straight. It is absolutely divine. I need y'all. Look at how bright she came out up on the top. Okay, so it has been a day, 2 days, and now we're gonna put it on. It's Bold Holds Lace Jelly. I'm going to use this in my actual hair to slick it back.
Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Why you bothering me? Why you bothering me? Why you bothering me?
This is Bold Holds Liquid Gold or Tempera glue. I love using this right on the hairline to secure the wig cap and get it nice and flat. This stuff just washes out when you get it wet. I don't have any fear getting it in my hair. You could also use Got2b glue for this or the Got2b Freeze spray. So our special guest woke up from her nap. You can see herself, huh? When she saw me, she literally was like, "Head."
Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, that is cute hair. That's the hair Mama's gonna put on. So how cute. I ended up cutting actually kind of a lot off the length. I think I cut like 4 inches off. So now this will do. I tend to always use Bold Holds glue because that's the glue that I have. They sent me a whole bunch and I have not ran out. And today I'm gonna use one that I haven't used before. It is the Extreme Cream for a dry to normal skin. And that's perfect, I think, for me. This is a long hold, okay, glue. This is not, if you're just wanting to wear your wig for the day, this is not the glue that you need to be using. This is gonna hold your wig down for like, you know, a couple days, a week, maybe a couple weeks, depending on how many layers you put on. So I'm gonna put like 2-3 layers on and keep it on for like the week. You can put makeup on the cap if you want, but I have found that for me, every time I do that, it looks cakey and gross, and I don't know how people will be doing it. Woo. Okay, wait. I need to tighten this wig. I feel like impossible. This is the one that we're using today. First, we're going to use some micellar water, and we're going to cleanse that area. This is going to make sure that the adhesion is strong. And then we're gonna use our skin protectant, y'all. This one is also by Bold Hold. It's the lemon one. This stuff makes my forehead really shiny. So another mistake I was making before when installing wigs was I was just using too much glue. Definitely want to keep this glue away from your hairline. It will fuck up your hair, okay? I never actually want to keep my wig on for a whole week, but I think I'm gonna try because my hair's been really annoying. I don't want to deal with it, so. Okay, so she's glued down. I'm gonna let that melt. This wig has actually been through a lot, and there's like a bald spot right in the front, so we're gonna have to use some makeup. Alright, we got some work to do. So she's got like 2 bigger swoops here and then 2 swoops coming off the sideburns.
Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh.
Area here you can see I'm like got some weird balding issues. I'm going to use a little bit of eyeshadow because I don't have a spray in this color. And kind of start to straighten out that bald spot. Make it So I'm gonna put some oil in it. This one is by Ex Mono as well. And y'all, this oil is the shit. Ooh, it smells delightful. I'm putting this through all of my hair because we're doing super sleek. It's definitely very orange, not like ginger. Like Isis is ginger. This is very orange, but that's okay. We're still going for the same look. Okay, I'm back. It's actually been like 3 days because whew, it's hard to get things done, man. Like I did the hair one day and then I was supposed to do all this makeup stuff, but that day was not the day. It was just not the day to be filming. I did not feel like it. And then anyways, long story short, I just got to it. So my hair's been on for about 3 days now, so the glue is doing good. So on to the makeup. Soft glam, she got some eyeliner. It's very Ice Spice-esque. So let's get it poppin'.
Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like.